Guys, so today we are going to do some maintenance on the AC of our pop-up camper, and this is a Coleman Mac. So not sure where exactly we're gonna find the filters, but opening it up fairly simple. You just go ahead and grab a little screwdriver, turn the knob. Go ahead and go to the other side, turn the knob, and that should come out, and you're just gonna pull towards you, and there you go. So things that I've seen a few other people do is just give it a little wipe down on the plastic areas here. See some gunk there. Give it a little wipe down, clean out the fins if your fins are dirty, on the other side as well. But the part that you want to kind of pay attention to is the filters. So once you check it out, you got these little filters here, and this is what not sure if there's actually filters specifically already cut and made for the AC unit, but these are actually look like there's some little cutouts that the previous owners might have done. So I'll check if there's any existing ones. I'll put it down in the description, let you guys know during the video. But if not, if I go the other route of just buying some universal, getting cutouts, I'll show you guys that as well. Hey guys, so this is a continuation of the AC filter, and what I actually found was this Honeywell pre-filter air purifier. This is perfect, same size as the existing dirty ugly, maybe a little bit thicker, but I'll go ahead and end up cleaning the cover here, give it a nice little wipe down, and then cutting the two pieces that were inside the box, cutting the two pieces to the size, to both of these sides here. So you got a right and a left side, cut both of those sides, put them on here and put it back together, and that should be we should have a new filter on the machine, on the AC machine. So let's go ahead and cut these out, get ready to put them on, show you guys what it looks like. And here's what the left side here looks like, and on the process of doing the right side, what I end up doing is I go ahead and put the whole piece on here. Start with the top corner where this little clip here is at, and I'll make a small hole, pierce it through, that way this acts as like a little holder, and I'll just go ahead and flip it over and just start cutting from the outside first. Once I cut from the outside, it's still a little bit bigger, so then I'll just go ahead and do a small little additional cut on my own and kind of make it a little bit more straighter. So definitely looks like it's working pretty good, and it fit pretty good on here on this side. Alright folks, and this is now with the final result of that new filter, and fit pretty good. Just put on the two little clips on both sides, slide it back in, and now we have some clean filters on the pop-up camper AC. Alright, thanks folks.